Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Yes? Very good. See, children, today I am going to teach you English. Okay? See here, second lesson, annual haircut day. Today I am going to tell about grammar part. Okay, children? Now, take page number 23, grammar part, page number 23 in English. Okay? Okay, see here, children. Listen carefully and see in your textbook. Rearrange the letters to make the missing words. Yes? Here some words given. These all are jumbled words. You have to write correct word and write in the dash. Okay, children? Now see here. First one. Devi is dash. What is the jumbled word here? D-S-A. Now what you have to write here in the dash? S-A-D. Sad. Okay? Devi is sad. Write along with me. Open your textbook and write along with me. Okay, children? Now second one. Sanjana is dash. What is the jumbled word here? R-A-Y-N-G. Yes? Now, what we should write here in the dash? Sanjana is angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Okay, children? Now next, third one. Prisha. Prisha is dash. R-A-C-S-E-D. Now which word will come here? Think and tell. Prisha is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Yes? Now next. Vihan. Vihan is dash. Y-A-P-P-H. See here, some children are here. See these names and say the expression. See what they are doing here. See their faces. Okay, now? Now, where is Vishan here? Now, Vishan is happy. Very good. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Next. Where is Anika? See Anika? Where is Anika? What she is doing? Anika is dash. Yes? P-L-E-E-S-Y. Anika is sleepy. Okay, children? Next, last one. Arjun. What he is doing? Arjun. Arjun is dash. What he is thinking? He is. See the spelling and tell me the word. D-O-W-I. Now tell me. What is his expression? Arjun's expression. He is worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Okay, children? Understood? You have to, whatever they gave, the jumbled words they gave, yes, we have to write the correct word in the dashes. Fill in the blanks. Yes or no? Now see again, I will read once again. Devi is sad. Sanjana is angry. Prisha is scared. Vihan is happy. Anika is sleepy. Arjun is worried. Okay, children, understood? Very good. Complete these all in your textbook. Okay. Now, next. Now see down match the following. B1. Yes. Okay. Now see here, match the parts of the sentences. Here some sentences given in two sides. What we have to do? We have to do the matching. Yes. Just see here, I am not writing these words, the sentences here. Just I will give only answers. Just you write in the middle of the, yes, middle of the two sentences. You should write here in the middle answer. Okay. Now see here, I wash my hair. First one, I wash my hair with shampoo. Yes. What is the first one here? I am writing only numbers, Seema. And here ABCDs I am writing. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Better will give matchings. Lines will draw. It is okay now? Very good. Now see. I wash my hair with shampoo. Here 1 to F. Do matching 1 to F. Okay. Next one. I dry my hair with a towel. Where is that? C. I dry my hair with a towel. C1 is a with, sorry, D1. 2 to D. Okay. Next. The barber cuts my hair with a scissors. Third one, E. Okay. Next, I comb my hair with a comb. Yes or no? With a comb you have to comb your hair. Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now, I brush my hair with a hairbrush. With a hairbrush. Fifth one, B. Now, next, I tie my ponytail with a ribbon. Which one? C1. Sixth one is C. Okay, understood, children? Read carefully and do the matching. Okay? Very good. Now, we'll go to next page. See here, naming words. Already we know the naming words. Name of the things, place, animals, like that. Yes or no? You know already naming words. Now see here, A bit. Complete each sentence with the correct naming word. Use these words. See here, some words are given here. Wife, cave, barber, yes, hair, tiger. Okay. They gave these words in the box. Yes. Now see the first one. Only answers I am writing. Reading, I am reading question also. See. Sringeri Srinivas. Already you know the story. Yes. Ma'am explained already, no? Now. See. Sringeri Srinivas wanted someone to cut his what? To cut his? Yes. Very good. First answer should be right in the dash. Hair. Okay na? First one is hair. Next. First, he went to the dash. First, where he went? He went to the barber. Very good. First, he went to the barber. Next, then he went back home to ask his dash for help. To whom he helped? To whom he asked for help? Wife. He asked wife, please cut my hair. Yes? Next, he sat near dash, near a dash, crying loudly. Who is crying loudly? Tiger is crying loudly. Yes or no? Yes? No. Who is crying? Huh? Sringeri Srinivas is crying. Yes? One. Where he sat? Yeah, he sat near a cave. He sat near a cave and he is crying loudly. Now, what happened here? See, the dash rode at Sringeri and Sringeri Srinivas' hair fell off. Who rode beside cave? He is crying. Yes or no? Now, what is there in the inside the cave? What is there? Tiger is there. Yes? Tiger is there. Okay na? Okay na children? Here only one G. Okay na? See here. What is the answers of, did you written answers here? See in the textbook. First one is hair. Second one is barber. Third one is wife. Fourth one is cave. Fifth one is tiger. Okay? Understood? Now complete this all in your textbook, ma. Now, next, see here in the textbook. Okay? Now see, singular and plural forms. You know what is singular and plural. Yes, if it is only one, it is a singular. If it is many, we call it as plurals. Yes? Now see, singular and plural. Just I will explain. Already it is there in the textbook. Just I will explain. Listen carefully. Tiger. If it is a one tiger, we will call tiger. If it is so many tigers, tigers. Yes or no? Yes. Carpenter, carpenters. Cave, caves. Pencil, pencils. Book, books. Bottle, bottles. Yes? Board, boards. Like that. Understood children? Singular and plural? Very good. Now we will go to page number 25. Okay? Now see here. Put these words in the correct part of the table. See here, some words given here. I am writing on the board. Tomato, salt, tea, key, chair, jam, bread, hen. Okay? Now what we have to do? Put these words in the correct part of the table. What they gave here in the table? Countable, uncountable. Yes? Okay? Now, you know already countable and uncountables. Yes? What are countables? Countable noun and uncountable noun. What are countables and what are uncountables? For example, okay, countable means you can count books. Yes, so many books we can count. And bottles. Yes or no? Now, pencils, erasers, sharpeners, markers, these all will count. Yes? Now, sugar we can count. How many particles are there in the sugar we can count? No. Yes? Sand? No. Very good. Next, oil? We cannot count oil. Yes? All liquid parts are uncountable. Yes or no? Now, see here some words given here. We have to write these words are countable or uncountable. Okay? First one, tomato. Tomatoes. We can count tomatoes, no? Very good. Where we have to write tomato? Countable side. Okay, na? Next, tea. Tea we can count. Tea powder also we cannot count. Tea is a liquid we cannot count. That is uncountable. T-E-A-T. Okay. Now next, chair. We can count chairs. Benches, chairs, tables. Yes or no? Now we should write. We have to write this chair in the countable side. Next, bread. Bread is countable or uncountable. Here we will confuse most. See here how bread slices we can count, but we cannot count bread. Okay. Now what is the answer here? Bread. Where we have to write bread? Very good. Uncountable. Okay. Next, salt. Yes. Salt we can count or countable or uncountable. Very good. You understood now? Salt is uncountable. Next, key. Keys. Yes. Keys we can count. So many keys also there. Yes. Now key is a countable. Next, jam. Jam we can count. Jam bottles we can count, but jam we cannot count. It is uncountable. Jam, jam. Okay. And last one, hen. Hen we can count. Hens. So many hens we will see now. Hen will write in a countable side. Understood, children? What are countable and uncountable words? Okay, understood? Very good. Complete in your textbook this also. Now, next, silent letters. Okay. Now see, silent letters we have to find silent letter in the word. See the first one. Listen and read the words. Draw a circle around the words with the silent letter. Where is the silent letter? You have to circle that letter. See, barber. Okay. Barber. In barber, silent letter is there. Silent letter is not there. Yes. Leave like that. Next, go to second one. Comb. Yes. Comb we cannot say. We have to read that one. Comb. Means what is the silent letter here? B. B you have to circle. Okay. Now next, third one. Hand. Hand. No silent letter. Next, fourth one. Knee. What is the silent letter here? Knee. What is the silent letter? Yes, very good. K is silent. Without K also we will read knee. Yes or no? K is a silent letter. Next, fifth one. Lamb. What is the silent letter here? Lamb. B. Very good. B is a silent letter. Next, forest. Any silent letter is there here? Forest. No, no? Very good. Next, listen. Now tell me, what is the silent letter here? Listen. 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 What is the silent letter? Very good. T is a silent. Listen. Okay. Next, write. Now tell me what is the silent letter here? We can, without W also we will write. We will read the word write. R-I-T-E, write. Yes? Now what is the silent letter? W is a silent letter. Okay? Now next, ninth one. Read. No silent letter here. Read. Tiger. Any silent letter? No, no? Very good. Now scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Now tell me here what is the silent letter? Scissors. Yes? See here. S-C-I-C. Scissors. We can read S-I-C also. Scissors. Yes? Now here what is the silent letter? C. Okay? Now next, milk. Any silent letter in a milk? No, no? Very good. Understood? What are the silent letters? Now again, I will explain this one. See here. Barber. No silent letter. Comb. B is a silent. Here hand. No silent letter. Knee. K is a silent letter. Lamb. B is a silent letter. Forest. No. Listen. T is a silent. Write. W is a silent. Now read. Tiger. Scissors. C is a silent. Milk. There is no silent letter. Understood, children? Children? Next, open page number 27. Yes? See here. Here, one story. I'll read the story. Now, we have to write dashes. In the dashes, we have to write some words. Okay? Now, see here. One day, Pranav's father said, "Your dash is too long." First one is, what is that? First one, see the picture and tell me. Yes, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Okay? Now next, you need a haircut. Who said? Pranav's father said. Let us go to the dash. Where we have to go to cut hair? Very good. Barber. Yes? Now, next, Pranav was dash. What? See? See here? His face. See the Pranav's face? How is it? Angry. Okay? Now, Pranav was angry. My hair is not too long, he said. I like it the way it is. I don't want to cut my hair. It is very nice. Yes, he is saying like that to his father. Now, no, said Pranav's father. Pranav's father said, no, we are going to the barber now. Come on. So Pranav and his father went to the barber. Yes? Now next, good morning, said the barber. Good morning, said Pranav's father also. Please give my son haircut. Pranav said, nothing. He was feeling dash. How? Fourth one, he was feeling, see the picture? It's very sad. Why? About losing his hair. Now, I am sorry, said the barber. Who said? I am sorry? Barber said. Now, I cannot cut your son's hair today. Why not? Asked Pranav's father. Because my scissors are broken. See here? Fifth one, scissors. See the picture? Scissors picture? S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. My scissors are broken, said the barber. No haircut today. Pranav was very, see that boy face, very happy. Okay, children? Understood story? Okay? These words also you have to write in the dashes. They given here dashes. You have to write 6 dashes are there. You have to write that in your textbook page number 27. Understood children today's grammar part? Yes? If you have any doubt, please call me. I will help you. Okay children? Okay? Okay. Bye.